Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen with me. Today I'm going to be making some barbecue jerk chicken. I'm using some chicken thighs with the bone in, skin on. Now I'm going to be making this on my grill, indoor grill, but you can do the same thing in your oven as well, okay? I already had some lemon, a little lemon in the water. Just putting some more in there for the finishing touches. So I'm going to clean up these thighs now by cutting off extra fats. Of course, you got to leave some on for flavor. Cutting off the extra fat. I like how the skin is not looking all floppy on there, so I have to cut them off too. I'm just trimming excess fat and excess skin. I'm preheating my grill to 400, so you will do the same with your oven, preheat it to 400. I like for the skin to just be on here like this. Okay. I buy these chicken thighs from Sam's, and I must say I'm quite impressed. The skin, they don't have any extra feathers or anything to clean off. I am quite impressed with that. Pretty clean up. Yeah, they don't have any extra feathers on the skin to clean up, and the skin is just wow. Sam's Club is where I got these from. I know they're not paying me to say that. I'm just kind of impressed with it, so I'm saying it. Okay. Alright guys. Take this out of here so I can rinse these off and put them back in the bowl. Okay. actually not. Alright, we're gonna move on. Okay, so in the bowl here, let's add some flavors. I'm gonna say about 3 tablespoons of jerk marinade. I have this Maggi improved taste right here. This is optional. You can use soy sauce, but this is Flavor Town right here. Add about a teaspoon of that. Worcestershire sauce. Add about a tablespoon. And this is coconut oil. It's not melted all the way, so it's just loose and soft. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon in there. My God, I love the way coconut oil flavors up your food. And it's real coconut oil, how that smell. It is so divine. Alright, let's get to some flavors here. I have this Caribbean soul food seasoning. Again, I purchased this on Amazon. Again, I'm not paid to say that. Let's add some in here. I'm not adding any extra salt because I believe this has a little salt in there, and I'm sure all the other dry seasonings do as well. It's up to you. You can always add salt if you want. Okay, this is black pepper. Garlic powder. And garlic powder is I need some paprika. And even though I added that Jamaican soul food spice, I'm still gonna add a little seasoning salt. Okay. And allspice, of course. You can't make jerk chicken without allspice. Oh, stop trying to make a mess for me to clean up. Seriously? Alright, let's just mix this up. Combine this all together. Bring the chicken over here. Normally, I would like for this to be marinating at least to marinate for at least an hour before cooking. But hey, today is just not one of those days for me. So I'm gonna make up for that with flavor. Okay, so I'm going here with my hand and I'm gonna rub this up really good, y'all. I'm gonna get every little nook and cranny with some seasonings. Every little nook and cranny. I actually have some leftover rice and pigeon peas from Sunday that's been in the fridge that I'm gonna serve this with. And that brought me to this, y'all. One way you can help to make home cooking easier on you. I like when I cook certain foods when I cook certain dishes, I like to save leftovers for the next day. Because like me on Sundays, when I make Sunday dinner, I like to double it. So I usually don't want to cook on Mondays. Monday is just not a day I want to cook. Okay, so guys, that's seasoned and we're gonna move on. Now remember, I am cooking this on my indoor grill, but I said you can always put it in your oven on 400 also for no more than an hour and 15 minutes. Now let's move over onto the grill, okay? pass every time I think I... Okay, let's flip these babies. And guys, if you're gonna make them in the oven, you're gonna do them uncovered. You're not gonna cover them in the oven, okay? Just uncovered. Oh my God, y'all! I wish I could smell that. Oh, Jesus mercy, that smells good. Okay, see you back in about another 7 to 8 minutes. I'm letting that side get some color on it too. See you back in about 7 to 8 minutes, okay? Okay, y'all, so the 7 minutes up on this side, so I just want to show y'all, look at that. That looks good, right? So now that I got the nice golden crispy lines on them, what I'm going to do now, as if I'm doing it in the oven, I'm going to cover this. And I'm going to cook them another hour on here. Of course, I'm going to be flipping them probably every 20 minutes or so, okay? And for this, I'm going to turn the heat, I'm going to turn my heat down to 350. So let's move over here. Okay. I need the full second. And so here we go, guys. Just gonna lather this over the chicken for extra flavor. Oh geez, I don't like when I give myself extra mess to clean up. So let me do this. Put my chicken out. I want to make sure I get every crevice and corner, every part of the chicken lathered up with yummy, yummy goodness. Now I'm going to flip them. Put more yummy, yummy goodness on them. I just want to taste this so bad right now. Okay. We are good, okay. About 10 more minutes. I'm going to go wrap up that pasta salad, put it in the fridge because you want to serve it chilled. And I will see you guys soon. Okay guys, so our chicken is done. I just flipped him and I'm just using up the rest of the sauce because why let it go to waste when it's so yummy. I'm just scraping out what's in the pot. And I told you guys to cook your chicken uncovered when I have this over here. Sound kind of hypocritical, right? So what I thought, if you have the drip pan, let me see if I have one I can show you. I think I do. You know, something like this where you put the chicken on top of this and you know the juice is dripping down there. Then with that you can cover it for the first, I'm gonna say the first 45 minutes. The other 45 you're gonna let it cook uncovered, flipping it 15 minutes in between, okay? Alright, now here we go guys. Now I'm going to go clean up before I'm ready to eat. So I'm gonna leave this on warm. And I will see you guys back soon when I'm ready to dig in. But you know, wait a second. No, wait a second. say here something. Okay guys, I'm gonna take one of these, take this smaller one off, and let's move for a second. Let's move a bit, okay? Over here with me, come on over here with me. I'm going to cut this. See, fully cooked. Oh Lord Jesus. Oh Lord God. When I say y'all, you know, I made brown stew fish on Sunday for dinner, and some steamed kale. I love me some steamed kale and some rice and pigeon peas, which is what I'm serving this for tonight. And Jade bit into that fish. Jade said, "Rod, mommy snapped tonight." My kids find words like these when I cook and they love the food. And this right here, she is for sure gonna say mommy snap again. Y'all, dear God, I wish I had made more. I took out a big pack because I got it from Sam's and I didn't cook all of it. That's my bad. This is gonna be on our menu so much, because when I say, Anyway, y'all, I want to thank you so much for watching. Forgive the snapping, but this thing is so good. The smacking of my mouth, I mean. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please, if you like this video, I appreciate the support. I thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Guys, I started off weak on this channel, I'm not gonna lie. But it is my intention to make you not disappointed that you subscribe. Because I know I got it in me. Thank you so much for watching. From my family to yours. God bless you. I hope you're staying safe. Bye.